Hey, this is Brad from MOTODEMIC. Here we're going to install the LED upgrade for the BMW R1200R. This fits from 2006 to 2014 models. Let's check out what comes in the kit. Okay, so here we have our LED units in either adaptive or standard EVO S. The adapter ring is pre-installed and comes in either raw or black. We have our plug-and-play wiring harness, a T25 Torx, and our towel. Let's get started with the install. First step is to place the provided towel on top of the front fender, followed by removing the T25 Torx from the bottom of the headlight. Now we can remove the retaining ring by tilting it forward and up and setting it aside. This now gives us access to the second T25 Torx that we'll remove. And with that removed, we simply just pull the headlight forward and unplug it. Then setting it aside. Now we're ready to prepare the upgrade for installation. We're going to set it on our towel, plug in the H4 side of the harness first. Now we're going to match up our white wire on our adapter to the white wire on the factory harness for the high beam, yellow wire to yellow wire for the low beam, and finally we're going to remove the parking light bulb and plug in our CAN bus eliminator. Polarity does not matter. Now we're ready to install the light, organize all the wiring into the bucket, tilt the light into place like the stock light was. We're using the larger head T25 Torx. Tightening that up. Take our retaining ring, reinstall it as it was stock, pivot it down, snap it into place, and finally reinstall the bottom screw that has more of a flat head. Tighten it up, and we're done. Finally, we're just going to test our headlight functionality. We need to turn the bike on, start it up. We can turn it off. Test our high beam. That's our low beam. Pass function. And there you go. Well, there you have it, the LED upgrade for the BMW R1200R. For more details, head to motodemic.com. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.